All right, this is for DFTG 1409. Just a reminder on how to set up a drawing properly when you're starting a new drawing, a new sheet set. So we'll go through this. Just be really short reminder. You probably already know how to do this since we're in the second week here. All right, so you'll open the master title block. That will be discussed a little bit later. Save it as a new drawing. So you open the master title block that has all four sheets, your A, B, C, and D sheet. Immediately you'll save it as a new drawing. So let's say we're making a widget. You do a save as widget, and then you will delete the sheets you don't need. So if the assignment calls for a sheet, you'll delete the B, C, and D. And then we'll go into that with the units and den styles. We've gone into that, but we'll go into that one more. I'll pull up AutoCAD and we'll go into that. All right, so here's the master title block file. The title block is not completely filled out, but you want to make sure all title blocks are filled out. So in making this, we have the A, the B, the C, and the D sheet. All right. This C sheet might not look exactly like the one you guys have made or will be making, but there's one similar on that. In fact, I probably can show you on here. And I'm not sure why this one's on here. I think this is one we had a few semesters ago. If I click on the C sheet, right click, and I go to From Template, and let's see, the template should be, let's see, C sheet, and I'm not seeing it in here. They may have done away with it. Let's see. Yeah, there's one. E. All right, I'm not seeing the typical. This is the same one that's there, and maybe that's why we're using it. They may have done away with it in the template blocks here. Let me go back to this, and yeah, the sheet sets here are just the D sheets, I think. Yeah, it's the same one. So, all right, we'll just go ahead and go with that one. So the main thrust of this is, sorry to get sidetracked on that, but so when you open it, have a new assignment, and let's say it calls for, we're going to make a widget, and it calls for 2 A sheets, let's just say. So you'll open your master title block. So I have master title block right here. You can see how old it is. This was made on 2020. And immediately I'm going to do a save as. Hit the Save As button. Know where you're going to send it to. I'm going to go ahead and just for right now send that to desktop. And I'm going to name it widget. And you can put your initials in there and any other information like date or anything like that. And hit Save. And now we know we have, by the file name up here, we have widget. And we call for, I said 2 A sheets. So I'm going to take the B sheet, left click, and then right click and delete the B. And, oops, okay. And I'm going to delete the C, left click on it, right click on the tab, and hit delete. And then the same with the D, left click, right click, and hit delete. All right, and it called for 2 A sheets. I think that's what I said. So you can left click, then right click, and then you can copy, move or copy. Left click on that, and make sure you click this little box, create a copy, and make sure you're going to create a copy 8.5 by 11. Hit OK. And then if you look down here where your tabs are, Hopefully you can see that. You have two 8.5 by 11 sheets. They're identical. All right. So the next thing you do, we're going to be doing all your drawing in model space, is you're going to, first thing you're going to do is set your units. So UNITS. So you have to know what you're drawing. We're going to go ahead and set this one. This is a widget. We'll probably set it, instead of architecture, we'll set it for decimal, 2 places, decimal inches. The 2 places on that, and hit OK. And then we set our DIN styles, DIMSTY or D enter, the shortcut. And we're going to modify the standard. And we're going to set the arrow symbols and arrows. Probably the 0.25 is going to be a fairly small drawing. And again, you set your text height to the same as your arrowhead size, 0.25. And then again, the primary units, you come over to it and set it in decimal and 2 places on that. And you can see how it changed. Everything looks good there. Hit OK. And close. And then the last thing you'll set up are your layers. You'll left click on Layer Property Manager. And so now you have to kind of know what layers you're going to set up. We already had some layers in this file set up. I can rename those if I wanted to. Left click on it and give it another left click, and I can call this, let's just call this Dim Styles. And then we'll change that color to a more of a gray. And then with title block, we're going to go ahead and change this. We'll go ahead and make a new layer, and we'll call this layer Notes. So you have to decide what layers you're going to be using, whatever the assignment calls for. Some of them will call for a minimum 4 layers, etc. So you have to kind of know that. And Notes, we'll just make that in black. Hit OK. And we'll just go ahead and close that for the example. So now we have all our layers set up. We have our Dim Style set up. And that's how you set up a new drawing depending on the assignment by opening Master Title Block. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.